Kamusu e kangi me o pisenga ali. Ke ua strike ai sis. Ai uso kupe ia la ua pisi. Mai, e le mafuanga wa usa woi po live. O fie fai sa o video. Au kere lo po le ale me kupui. O le ale me ale kupui la o ke le fongi. Ia po o le... Po le app le e di tai le video. Nga fo ua fa le kong mai ia la o video. Ke lo le ia mse se o ilunga kai mingi. Ka fai pisi uma ia. Ia tangata uma. Ia ale maka fo isi po kalame wai. O isi po kalame ia sa le uli. Sa isi po kalame le tai au. Ia a kai minga o lai whainga ruenga isi. Ia o la fo ie. Whainga ruenga isi. Ia po la fo ie pisi a ka ia i anga mea i le ngaka mi o le uli. Ia, le ala o le kemi langi, ia la wa relax, maka. E peila o pea la wai tu. Le fato ata uno o mai le fale, i le afi. Yo, ia, o ngā mōlu mai ai koko. Ia, ki loa ia a mata mai i le live. A le afi o ngale sui pale mia. Ia, le lope, lai maka le kemi ngai mawhai langa tina. Ia, ai po whai atu stoe ina. Ia, whai lau me kausangi. Se o la ko ai ko pela ka video wa. Kaunga whai se video mangule o maua singei lao. Ia, hi Freddie. Please say hi and tell me where you are watching me. Thank you and thank you for coming by. And yeah, thank you for stopping by. Yeah, I'm here. Thank you. That's lots of hearts and flowers and all the different faces. Thank you so much. I'm still trying to get familiar with... thank you, Ali. If you... Okay, so this live, normally I speak in my Samoan language, but I can speak in English. Well, I don't see any Samoan up here. I can tell by the names, but I would like to say hello to you all. I'm doing this live from Melbourne, Australia. I don't normally live, I do videos, but something is wrong with the 3 other videos already on my channel. People say there's no sound, so I'm not sure what caused that problem. So I thought maybe tonight I try to do a live and see how I go. I'm not familiar with doing lives. Please tell me where you are watching me from. I watch a lot of videos from Nigeria, from America, a lot of them from the US, and yeah, on that part of the world. I never, only one from, thank you so much, Amalie. Have I said it right? And Ali, Gia's World, Ali. Hope I pronounce all your names properly. Yeah, there's something I want to talk about tonight. I feel a little bit depressed. Yeah, something happened this afternoon. But we're gonna have to wait a little bit for more people to come by. I know my people would love to hear my story. I don't know. I don't know if it's a good story or a bad story or please. I'm still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Help me to get to, yeah. You make my special place go up. Please take responsibility. What's that means? Oh, thank you. Amani, are you from New Zealand? I used to live in New Zealand. I came from Samoa, migrated to New Zealand, and in 1985, and then I came here in Australia in 1998. Yeah, but original, I'm a Samoan. Okay. Are you from New Zealand, Emily? Yeah, New Zealand is a beautiful, beautiful country. Yeah. Even I moved here in Melbourne, Australia. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hello, Australian. I'm here in Melbourne. So even I left New Zealand in 1998, in January 1998, and came here in Melbourne. I always visit New Zealand. I always visit. New Zealand is my other home. Yeah. And a lot of my families live there in New Zealand. I have a sister and a lot of nieces and nephews. Yeah, living in New Zealand. Yeah, so it's like the other home for me. Hi, everyone. I like to say hello to everyone. Hi. Yeah, I feel a little bit unhappy. I'm feeling a little bit sad today. I'm always a happy person, but this afternoon something very sad happened today. Not in my family here, but my family back home. Yeah, no one died. Everyone's still alive. Thank God. But something else. Let me give you a formula to avoid saying I wish in your life. I suggest you read the Holy Quran at least once in your life. Oh, I've heard about that book, but I never saw it physically. And I never read it. Let me give you a formula to avoid saying I wish. Why? What's wrong with I wish? I wish I'm happy today. Is that wrong? I wish I've been to somewhere else. Hi, Rhonda, one of my biggest fans. Hi, here I am sitting here talking to some new friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I've been working really hard to get to 1,000. I reached 600, but that's not enough to get me some money. Thank you, Rhonda. Thank you for supporting me. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, because we have some non-speaking, non-Samoan speaking. Uh, I think my brain is shutting down a bit tonight. So that's why I'm speaking in English for now. Hi, how are you doing today? Yes, I think I'm feeling a little bit better, but before I started this live, I felt really, I wasn't really, I was a bit sad. I think I'm trying to avoid sad, but I was very sad. Hi, Louis Kuhn. Oh, I'm so scared to say names because if I don't say your names correctly, that's that's um that's not a good thing. That's rude to me. Louis, but I'm trying. Louis Kuhn, where you say, okay. Hi everyone. Okay, do you wanna hear a story? Tell me, let me know what you want me to talk about now. before I say, before I tell you my big sad story. Do you wanna hear my big sad story? You know why I'm sad? Because part of me saying what happened, it's my fault. And part of me saying, no, it's not my fault. Yes, I'm always a happy person. I'm always happy. I love dancing. I love singing. So obviously I like doing things that make me happy and make other people happy. But when sad stories or people tell me things, then I just switch from happy to sad. And yeah, it's very sad. Okay. Who has, please answer my question and then I will explain what makes me a bit sad tonight. Yeah, I was sad since the morning because I got this very sad news in the morning. So the whole day I wasn't myself. I wasn't very happy. I'm gonna ask you who has an in-law, um, a brother-in-law or a sister-in-law. Do you get along well? Because tonight is about in-laws. Do you hear that stories often? About a relationship between you and in-laws. Who favorite in-laws? Do you have an in-law in your life? Not parents. I don't wanna talk about mother-in-law and father-in-law. Let's talk about sister-in-law or brother-in-law, especially sister-in-law. Okay, I'm doing this live from Melbourne, Australia, the best city. Do you think so? Louis Kuhn, have you been to Melbourne? And where you from? Please, everyone, tell me where you're watching from. It's almost 9 p.m. here. And what's your time? What's the time at your country? Do you want me to sing you a song? Okay, I'm gonna sing you a song and then I will tell you my sad story. Okay. What can I sing for everyone? Let me hear your whisper Let me hear your sound. Let me put my arms around you. Let me hold you tight to my lowly mouth. Tell my dear boy, thou ina elo, olo ualo falena. There's plenty of fish in the sea. There's plenty of birds in the woods. There are also plenty of birds flying in the sky. There are also pretty girls, but the only one I love, and that's the one I love and adore, is the girl from Samoa. Rhonda, I just sang you a song. This is a song, the love of a man to a beautiful woman in Samoa. Do you want me to sing it again? And then I'll tell you my sad story. I think this song just make me feel a little bit okay. Okay. Let me hear your whisper. Let me hear your sound. Let me put my arms around you. Let me hold you tight to my lowly mom. Tell my dear boy, tau ina eloa, olo ala falena. There's plenty of fish in the sea. There's plenty of birds in the woods. There are also plenty of birds flying in the sky. There are also pretty girls, but the only one I love, and that's the one I love and adore, is the girl from Melbourne, Australia. Okay, that is the best I can do. I'm so sorry. I'm not a singer. I've never been to a singing class or a school. It's just the voice I was born with. Yeah. Okay, thank you for all those who think my voice is beautiful. I hope so. Okay, my sad story today. It makes me very, very sad. I hope I'm not gonna cry in front of you. My story, like I ask everyone who has an in-law, how's your relationship with your in-law, whether it's sister-in-law or brother-in-law? In my situation, okay, I I don't want to cry in front of you because I don't need to cry in front of the world. Okay, I have a sister-in-law. You know, I have one brother. My brother is younger than me, but he's not young like 20s or 30s. He's 60, 60. Okay. So what happened today? My sister-in-law called me and told me that their relationship, their marriage is broken down, and she's now living with her parents because my brother kicked her out. Okay, and why I'm sad? Because I feel like this is part of the problem. I'm part of the problem. Yeah, I feel like I'm part of the problem because, okay, my brother, I always send money to my brother. I send money to my brother almost like sometimes 3 times a month or every week. I send money to my brother. Hi, Simon. Hi. Hi, Luis. What do you mean I'm gay? I'm a woman. Oh, that hurts my feeling. Okay. Give me that you're listening to my story. I'm just seeing you, and I don't know if anyone's listening to my story. Are you listening to my story? Are you interested with my story? Yeah. Yeah. I want to know what's this mean. What's this mean? You're okay. What's that means? I'm not familiar with these words. What's that means? Are there any Samoans here? Any Samoans? Or just Ronda? This your game it really puts me off. What's that means? I don't really know what that means. I know gay, like gay, but I'm not a gay. I'm a woman. I'm straight. Okay. Yeah, so that's what's happening. My brother's marriage is broken down just today. And my sister-in-law told me, and what I heard is like I'm part of the problem. And the problem was I've sent money to my sister-in-law instead of my brother. It's me. What's that? Your car is blocked. What's that mean? Rhonda, what's that mean? What does it mean by your car is blocked? Okay. Okay. Rhonda. I want to o ke fia kalango fa sa mo alanga le kumu mai lunga i le au le lo fa sa mo ai. Yeah. Okay. Ole tala le na. That's the story. The story is sad. Ah, do you think that story is sad? Marriage relationship broken down, and me part of the problem. And you know the problem is I send money to my sister-in-law instead of my brother. So he doesn't like that. So that's stupid. Yeah, that is so stupid. For me to send money to my sister-in-law instead of my brother, that's not a problem with me. Do you think that's a problem? No, to me, that's not a problem. That's a nice thing to do. That's a nice thing to do, and for my brother needs to appreciate the kindness that I show to his wife. Am I right? Mm. I don't really know what's happening on this life. How am I supposed to know that people are still here? What this means? Okay. Yeah. So I think for for my brother to get really upset over me sending all the money to my sister-in-law instead of sending to him, I think that is so stupid. My brother is so stupid for getting really upset but it's not her fault. I decide. It was me that decided to send the money to my brother or to my sister-in-law instead of him. I know he's my brother. We have the same blood running through our veins, but it doesn't mean I can't show my love to my sister-in-law. I love my sister-in-law. It's like me. We are women. And I sent the money to my brother. He doesn't know how to use the money. He just used the money to buy smoke, buy beer, buy all those stupid things. But I sent the money to my sister-in-law because she buy good, nice things for their house. She buy nice food, good food. Ah, so she spent the money wisely. Yeah, I'll just ignore. I'll just ignore. Uh, yeah. So if you think I'm gay, please know I have 7 children, beautiful children, and a very handsome husband. Do you want me to bring my handsome husband and show his face to you? Yeah, he's gorgeous. He's handsome. And you know what? He looks so younger than myself. Yeah. Thanks, Rhonda, for that. But I'll just keep going because I know there may be not many Samoans here because they are busy. But later on they will. So I still need to keep going. Okay, so I'm thinking, see, because because my brother got upset with my sister-in-law receiving all this money from me, like in every second week or every week, then he decided to kick out the wife, thinking I will send the money to him instead. But that is, he's wrong there, because now I'm not going to send any more money, not to my sister-in-law, because now she's back and live with her parents, and I can't send her money because she's not with my brother anymore, and I'm not going to send any money to my brother because he's been on stupid stuff. Which brand undergarments do you use? Oh, excuse me. Okay, I'm gonna block you. I don't like this language. I don't want that language in my in my life, my on my life. Oh my God, you. Okay, if you come on this live, please. I don't want anyone to share on this live. You know, we are all different. Maybe you are addicted to swear words, but no, not me, not Lefa, okay? Not Floral Vibe. Well, yes, it's either money, relationship, especially marriage. They break up because of money or cheating. Am I right? Cheating and money. But this time, this is so stupid. It's so stupid. It's because see, I'm a nice person. I send money to support my brother back home, back in Samoa. So I send money like every second week, sometimes every week. But I send to my sister-in-law instead of my brother. I don't send to my brother. And you know why? Money and too much internet for some people. Yes. Yes, every family, every individual, they all have different issues in their lives. But these issues breaking up a family because of money. Now it's money issue. And the money is from me. And I sent to my sister-in-law, my brother's wife. So he doesn't like the idea of his own sister, sending money to his wife. Is that? I think it's stupid. I thought he should be happy that I have so much respect for his wife and show how much I love his wife. Because if you love your brother or your sister, you need to show love to your in-laws. Am I right? Am I right? That's what I thought. I thought my brother will be very happy that his sister really loved his wife, because do you know it's very hard to find in-laws like me. Because I tell you, I know a lot of families that can't stand in-laws, but I'm not going to tell you. But I know a lot of families, they just, they, mm. they, they want to with in-laws. Me, no. That's why I send my all the money to support my brother and and his family, I sent money to my sister-in-law instead of him. And this is the other reason, because I send him money, and this is what he do with the money. This is what he does with the money. He buy beer, smoke, all the things, all for himself. But I like sending to my sister-in-law because she goes out and do the shopping, food shopping, clothes for the kids, the necessary stuff, the things the family needs. So that's why I've been sending. But then I didn't know that was a problem with my brother until this morning. My sister-in-law called me and cried on the phone and told me she got kicked out of the house by my brother. Yeah, and that's really, it really hurts me for my brother to do that to her. Well, tell your brother to get a job and work for his kids and family. Yeah, yeah, he did work. Thank you for that. He did have a job. Now he's 60, and he plants food, like he has plantation, and sometimes he go to the market and sell. I think it's that didn't have enough money from there, but yeah, they have food. They have food on the backyard, on the side of the house, and a lot of food. But you know what's the word about money in the Bible? Money is the root of all evil. Now he break up the marriage because of the money. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's really so. You know, I I gave my advice to my sister-in-law not to worry. I'm gonna do some work from here to my brother, because I know by the way she talks, she really missed being with her husband and kids. Lucky that their kids are all grown and they all married. Yeah, so that's lucky. Otherwise, it's hard to. Okay. So, all right. So that's the story. Um, for those who haven't been to Samoa, who has been to Samoa? Anyone who have been to Samoa? Samoa is in the Pacific, very small. You almost can't see the map on Samoa on the map. Yeah, it's hard to see Samoa on the map. But I tell you this, yeah, money is the root of all evil, but this world is evil too. If you're not careful or smart. Yes, yes. Yes, we need to open our eyes widely and our ears and look around, because there's so many evil things, evil people. Yeah, it can destroy the good things we are trying to do. We try to do in this world. Yeah, for me, you know what? Me, the good things I wanna do in this world is to help those who less fortunate than myself. Is that a good thing? Yeah. Help someone. You look around you, you see someone who you need your help them. Doesn't matter small, big, it's good. Okay. Yeah. Am I right, Rhonda? This is good about coming online to get used to all these features. I'm not familiar with all that. Yeah. Yeah, so, okay. What else can I tell you? What else do I need to tell you? All right. So I'm 63 years old. In case someone think I'm 70. I'm 63 years old. I'm I I turned 63 on the 7th of this month. Yeah. Oh, okay. Why can't your brother work for his money and his family, that the man job? Of course, but in Samoa it's very different sometimes, especially money. I heard some other countries too, they do the same thing. They send money to their family. It's because every country is different and every family is different. Every individual is different. So me, I send I send money to help my brother financially. I don't send thousands or no, I don't have thousands to send. I send maybe a week I send 400. If I send every fortnight, I send 500 or 600 Australian dollars. Yeah, that's a big money in Samoa. Yeah. But now I'm 63. I'm starting to organize my own life because I'm gonna get retired soon. It means I need to save as much super or retirement fund for myself. So I'm trying to make sure I will send him less and lessest. Am I right? There's no such thing. Okay, so I'm trying to send less money this time because I need to organize my own retirement. Yeah, now I'm 63, so I have 4 more years. I'm not working. I don't have a job myself. Yeah, so but my husband and my kids, they give me money. They help me to have some money so I can send to my brothers. I know what everyone think, but that's how we are. But what do you say about people who give in the Bible? People who give. What do you say? What do you find in the Bible? Okay. The one who give will be blessed more. Am I right? Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up if you're still here. Okay, I don't see any thumbs up, so that means no one's here. Okay, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave you with these words. Have a good night. It's almost 10 o'clock here. Almost 9:30. Have a good night. Have a sweet dream. I will see you again another time. Okay. Good night. Jackhammer, are you still here? I'm trying to see who's here. How are you supposed to know you're still here? Who done live before? Look, who told you only if you win lotto then that's your blessing? That's the blessing you get. No, it doesn't have it doesn't have to be winning money or anything like that. It can be health, it can be good health, uh, it can be knowledge. Those are the kind of blessings a lot of people get. You give and then you live healthy. Yeah, only but you see. Okay. Wow, if there's um I'm trying to think what else I can talk to you about. Oh, you know, I have two videos already in my channel. You click on them, there's no sound. But when I uploaded, it was perfectly okay. And when I post public, I watch again, it was perfectly okay until 2 hours later. I went back and the sounds, it's just gone silent. But you can still see me, blah, 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 blah. But there's no sound. I don't really know what's happening. So frustrating. Yeah. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. All right. Yeah. Do you? I'm reading all your messages. Do you have a question for me before I say goodbye? Oh. Oh, you haven't? I thought I saw you on my subscribers. Oh, thank you. And if you need my subscribe, then I'll come and subscribe. Okay, but you must be rich. You must be rich more than 10,000 subscribers. So you don't really need my subscribe. Okay, thank you, chat. Yeah, go subscribe to my channel, please. Any other question for me? Any question about me and my family and where I'm coming from and any other thing, any other question from anything, Any question? All right. I'd better say goodbye. All right. Because it gets really bored now. Okay. You have a good night or a good day or a good morning, and hopefully to see you again. Please subscribe and like. Oh, you don't want me to go? Okay. What do you want me to talk about? Give me a topic. Give me something to talk about. Okay. Okay, Jack. Thank you. I'll let you go. It's a pleasure to talk to you tonight, all of you. Thank you so much. If I said anything wrong or inappropriate, please forgive me. Forgive Lefa. Thank you, Rhonda. Oh, you're still here. Thank you, Rhonda. Thank you. We will see you again. I'll keep doing these lives to get me familiar to in doing this, because I still struggle to figure out where's everyone, what they are doing, what they are saying. Good night. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. Thank you. Bye. Good night.